Hello everybody, welcome back. Just a quick video as we have now broken $92,000, sitting pretty at $93,300. Thank you everybody, good night. Right, so on either Saturday or Sunday, I said, look, there's a golden cross on the 4 hourly, and simple moving average, exponential moving average. The position to take would be on one of these. Like when you get a golden cross, just as when you get a death cross, you look for the invitation, the magnet that is price action being brought back down to it to test to see if it's a realistic support. If it is, then you get a V-shaped recovery and then some. The position was taken, the profit was made. What are we looking at right now then? After that bold prediction, so we're now pushing the 12% mark. You've got to love it really. So that's pretty sweet. And I'd probably say that does have a little bit further to run, although the money flow index is getting close to 90, quite hot now. So if there's ever some profit to be taken, it's probably around now. The move yesterday though did close above 92,000. So with that is the 20 moving average on the weekly. That's the main thing about it. Now, because it's a weekly moving average, we want to close above it on a weekly, which means we've got quite a while to go before we close it. So what are we, Wednesday today? You've got to close it Monday morning. So let's see where we are then. Okay. Now, if we do pull back, which we probably will, it doesn't mean we're going to make a lower low. But if we do pull back, the areas to look for this in this instance is around about $88,000. But really, if we can close above 92, we're in business. There's all those people there, well, the 4-year cycle is broken. Oh, it's the 4-year cycle. Why, it's 4 years elapsed? No. Have we broken major weekly support? No. So why is it broken? It's just broken, okay. Alright. Right, okay. Right, so there's your Bitcoin, and like I say, that looks pretty good to me. Let's have a look at the dominance chart though now. So the dominance chart is actually pushing higher than expected. So this is not as expected. Although I've always taken this chart, or at least for the last year to 18 months, with a little bit of skepticism itself, really. It's just an indicator of how bold crypto, Bitcoin is compared to its retarded cousins. So I don't know if we can really apply too much technicals to it, but the same applies. If we were to be seeing a rejection, it really should be any minute now. It really should be. But is it gonna? I don't know. I really honestly don't know. Right, what else we got? The S&P. So the S&P opened up quite nicely. We're pushing into the resistance today. So we've already sort of in the pre-market hit that Bollinger Band center. That's quite good. That is quite good. If you break this, you are looking for the next big move, 5,660. And even Ethereum has had a little bit of a run back up now. So we've moved up to the top of the Bollinger Band itself on the daily here. Not overheated, not quite yet. Let's have a look at the 4 hourly. 4 hourly is above all major moving averages, which is good. It's a good start at least. And it doesn't mean that it's going to reverse or anything, but it is a good start. But as far as any continuation is concerned, I'd be surprised to see it happen from here. We should be looking for a pullback maybe down towards 1600. Maybe 1700 if it takes a couple more days. And the weekly is wrecked AF, isn't it really? So, I mean, that is basically it as a brief overview. If you want to join the live streams, I'm doing one tonight. You have to be a Patreon member, so the links are in the description below. We can look at whatever coins it is, whatever charts you want within that couple of hours window. We'll see what's going on with individual altcoins. And the last stream, I have to say, in hindsight, we were relatively bullish on the market. We were just a bit worried about stocks. But pretty much everything that we were talking about, as far as those charts are concerned, rallied like a beast. So I'm not a signals group. I'm just analysing charts, with you all. But there is value in it, because I bet you if you were to be a Patreon member and then rewind the clock and look back at the video we did on Sunday, you'd be like, oh, how interesting. Absolutely correct. 100%. I'm having a laugh, but in hindsight, you would look back and go, oh, I wish I'd have taken some positions around there. That would have been epic. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.